This is another very good talk from which I took ideas that were very useful to learn English. It was given by Efromovich. He said that he speaks 7 different languages. He also exposes the method to achieve it and has 5 steps, which I will describe right now. Step number 1. Make mistakes. Like Benny Lewis, the importance of making mistakes during the learning is highlighted here, but in this talk, Sid explains why mistakes are made, and it is because something he calls our database of sounds and structures that we use in our native language. Step number 2. Get rid of the foreign alphabet. This was very useful in my case, and I will explain it in detail in a video of the next section, when we talk about the vocabulary creation process. Step number 3. Find a partner to improve in the new language. This is usually difficult, especially if you are going to study in a self-taught way, but it is very likely that you know someone who has a better knowledge of English, someone who can help you correcting common mistakes and giving you some tips to improve it. Step number 4. Shower conversations. This sounds a bit strange, but what it means is that you can have a conversation when you are taking a shower or anywhere else. The idea is that you have internal conversations talking to yourself using the new language. For example, you could ask questions about things around you or visualize yourself speaking in English. Step number 5. Find a partner to use the new language. This is not like in step number 3 because here it's about finding someone with whom you can communicate in English. This will help you to get used to the English conversations, but it doesn't necessarily have to be someone in front of you. It can be someone through Skype or anywhere in the world. This is something that I will also talk about in more detail in section 5 for you to find people on the internet to practice with them.